Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the number counter block in WordPress Nextr. This is part of a series of videos taking a look at Nextr's blocks one by one. To get started, let's open up a brand new blank page and take a look at this block on its own. Before we continue any further, for the beginners out there, let's take care of some housekeeping things. If this right-hand sidebar isn't here, click on this button called Settings beside the Publish button, and this is where all of the settings to toggle and configure for our block will show up. Next, let's give our page a title. Just to keep things organized, and last but not least, on the upper left-hand corner here, we have the block inserts. Click on that plus icon, and you can either search for the block, or you see Nextr blocks over here. We can scroll down and look for the block itself, but it's easiest to just look for it, and here we have number counter. And drag and drop that. It's fairly self-explanatory as to what a number counter block is, and many block libraries have this. So we'll take a look at how to configure the Nextr one. And you can see here under the layout one, we have two content options. You can either have it style 2 or style 1. We'll just keep it in style 1 just to keep it centered on the screen so it's easier for us to see. We can change the alignment of style 1 as well. And we can change the title to something dynamic from a post or a title or something or some other, or we can just manually input it. Number of and we can add a link to this, and we can either remove the icon or keep the icon at an image or an SVG. We need to search for, right? Amazing. And then for the digits, we can select our initial number, or we can actually take a real number from some dynamic value. So just put in some cool figure there, and we can change the number gap and the time delay. Right, so number gap is by how many you want it to move. Since we have a very big number, let's move it by 273, and let's put a delay on the animation from there. And the numeration type is just going to be how you put the decimals, and we can add prefixes and postfixes. So here we go, and you can see it appears right there. And for accessibility, we can add an area label. And under style, we can change our typography, as you can see, and you change the font size as well. And we can change the font color. We can change the spacing, right? And for the digits, it's the same thing. We can change the typography for this, right? We make it a bigger font size, change the color to something else, change the above spacing, right? Prefix and postfix, we can change the colors for these, as you can see, and we can change the icon shape, right? You can put a border around it, change the icon size, the width of this, and background color, icon color itself. So if I wanted to make it green, I could do that. And background options here, I'll put a background, some extra options here, just padding. And last but not least, advanced settings, which are common to all Nextr blocks. We have global styles, spacing, background, border, on-scroll animations, display rules, hard position settings, and our responsive settings to hide this on desktop, tablet, and our mobile. So let's go ahead and click on Publish and take a look at how this block looks like on our live site. And you see it goes really fast, and you can change how fast this goes and by how much it counts. You can have it count 10,000 at a time or something like that. So this is a real great way to display numbers in an engaging and eye-catching, attention-grabbing way on your site. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey, if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out one of our other videos, or go ahead and check out our channel and subscribe to see more content like this.